And welcome everybody. نخلص stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's start. So according to what we see in one day update here, let's see that what would happen if we think about the price here that we want. Okay, according to what we want here, let's put here a circle on نخلص stock on 28 November. So if we are going to have this kind of stock here, okay, absolutely, if we went for 1 week, it's going to be giving us different parties. What we want to be absolutely happen in this video, and maybe this is going to be one of those things that can be appreciated during the movement of this stock. And good luck on another episode of the technical analysis explanation about this stock, which is called NKLA stock.